Hello, we're at a lake. Boing, 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 boing. I'm here with my aunt, my grandpa, my brother, my mom. And this is, we're at a lake, and this is the Nature Adventure 2. The Nature Adventure 2. Commentary by Sarah, Dennis, Ann, Liam, and Brennan. We're gonna walk. This will be around 10 minutes. 9, 8 minutes, 10. I don't know. Let's go.
Are you talking?
I'm talking to the camera.
Oh, what's it saying?
Nothing. We can't talk.
Oh, right.
The camera.
But when we come back,
But you can hear people talking.
Oh, God.
But then we have to do.
Hey, what up?
Got a smile.
Go take something cool. Go find like a badger or a moose.
Yeah, like a moose.
Go in there.
No.
Eagle.
No.
It has stuff in it.
It has beauty in it. Don't go in there. Beauty and bugs. And there's probably skulls in there.
Skulls, yes.
Papa, isn't there like a beach down here where it has with a bunch of rocks and everything?
It's not really a beach, but there's rocks and stuff.
Yeah.
No, that's what I mean.
Yeah, it's just sort of a
That's
shoreline.
what I've been telling you in the car. And you're like, no, there's nothing down.
First you yelled at me because we weren't going to the waterfall.
Yeah, I wanted to go to the waterfall.
Blocks you out.
I thought we were going to the waterfall.
Going down the sand there.
Yay!
Look at all the stuff in the nest up there. Looks like it's made with plastic.
It does.
Sticks. Look at that nest up there. There's a little bit of everything hanging out there. See, it's got plastic. Yep. It's got
Stuff.
What's that?
Water bottle.
no. Liam, don't go down there, honey. We can go down, but let's go down where it's easier. Go better.
Got a straw. Let's see if the thing can see through the. I don't think
That'll
so.
never work.
No, it doesn't work. The camera.
Well, I don't have shoes for this.
And I have a camera. Oh! Ah!
We can have it on film, Dad.
I think I'm gonna watch Papa.
Don't tape while you're walking down. You're gonna smash yourself. I understand.
I'm okay. I got it.
Tweety bird over there.
Playbird, where are you? I wanted to bring Crocs. Crocs would be better. I told my mom that Crocs would be better to wear.
Crocs?
Yeah.
Oh,
Not crocodiles.
no, I know.
Croc.
Croc shoes.
Don't go.
Muck.
How cold is the water?
It's probably pretty chilly. You can touch it and feel it. It's probably pretty cold.
Oh,
And it's calling and we don't know.
water's cold.
Where is it?
Listen. Right. That one. What that? Did you hear the bird, honey? Don't move, Ben. That's okay. Not that one. It's like a tiny type of buzz.
Yeah, I know. I know, that's what I heard.
You're so funny. Alright, go chase the bird with him. Go. Chase the bird.
This is the Nature Adventure 2. I already did one out in the woods by Dad's coulee. The second one. The third one is going to be at the waterfall or someplace else. Nature-y. Whoa! Whoa! There it is! Camera doesn't
It's a song sparrow.
Oh, it's a song sparrow.
Yeah. You can tell it's got a big black
What?
dot on its chest.
That's how you can tell?
Yeah, that's what the sparrow looks like. And they do a lot of that singing crap.
Yeah. I know what you mean.
Where did she go? Look at that.
Yeah.
You want to look at it?
I can see it.
Oh, that sparrow.
Too bad the camera can't.
Can't you zoom on that?
This is the farthest zoom it can get. Watch your phone. Whoop.
Can you zoom it out? Okay. Oh, I see.
Yeah, not very good. It's not a very expensive camera. What? It's not a very expensive camera. $150.
Oh, that's right.
It's pretty good. It was on sale.
That's all you need.
It used to be $200.
That's a pretty good deal.
$50 off, 75%.
I would take that.
I would too.
You did.
I can't believe some of them are.
Did you buy that yourself?
Yeah.
With your own money?
Yeah.
Oh, I want to do that.
I still haven't gotten my birthday present.
Oh,
From
well,
a few.
that's because I'm not a very good gift giver, but I got you both like some Easter baskets, so
That'll work.
with some stuff. So, you know, your birthday rolls around.
Next year?
Well, I just tend to forget.
Yeah.
So if I don't give you one then,
And you couldn't even come anyway.
something will roll around eventually.
Yeah.
So don't feel bad. But if you warn me ahead of time, that's helpful, because I am not a person that remembers things very well.
Don't get Liam a present.
By the way, where's my present?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
True. You don't get one.
And I don't care. That's fine.
Liam shouldn't get one either.
Are there any ducks out there? I see no ducks.
Them
What's that over there? There's like
log.
a log.
Is it a log?
Oh, there. There we go. What's that? No, those two white dots out from the log. Those.
Yeah.
I think they're merganser. That's what
What's a mine ganser?
merganser? It's like a big duck.
Oh.
It's a big duck with a really long bill.
Extra big.
Yeah, it's a diving duck.
So far it's been 8 minutes and 50 seconds.
More else about it.
I thought it was going to be another whatever you call it. Merganser.
Whoa, tripping.
I think we're going to have another half, or we're going to end by everyone.
Plunk. I want to get up and look on the other side.
Let's go. Right here is fine.
Alright.
This part's back. We should have went back over here.
Ooh.
If it doesn't look good, it doesn't mean it. Well, it's
Oh, there's no water here, really.
except for out there.
Oh, maybe over there there's something.
Maybe it smells over here. What? Chelsea? Well, it is. That's the end of the Nature Adventure 2. Bye.